Hi my besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So we're going to be doing a hair growth tea. The first ingredient we are using is sunflower seed. Okay, I'll also be going to be using my 3 favorite spices, which is fenugreek seed. I'm going to be using rosemary, and I'm also going to be adding cloves inside. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So we need a clean jar just like this, and we're going to be adding all our ingredients. Okay loves, so my sunflower seed, I blended it. Okay, so as I blended it, it's going to be in a powder paste, but the first one I'm going to be adding into this jar is my rosemary. Okay, so I'm using 1 tablespoon. Rosemary has amazing benefit, which I'm going to be putting the benefits on the screen. All right, so the next ingredient I'll be adding is fenugreek seed. Okay, fenugreek seed has also unique benefit for hair growth. It helps in stopping hair loss. I'm also going to be using 1 tablespoon for this recipe. All right, so please watch the video to the end to see how I achieve this and how I spray it on my hair and how it has helped in my hair growth. So the next ingredient I'll be using is cloves. Okay, cloves is an amazing hair growth spice for hair growth. Okay, it helps in so many ways. All right, I'm also going to be leaving the benefit on the screen so you can see that the benefits are so amazing for hair growth. So each of these ones I use 1 teaspoon. All right, so the next ingredient I'll be using is my sunflower seed. Okay, I'm using ½ tablespoon for this. All right, sunflower seed, this one is blended. I blended it to get the powder form. Okay, sunflower seed increases blood flow and can enhance hair growth, and it prevents hair loss. Sunflower seed has a lot of nourishment and minerals that support your scalp and give you a healthy scalp. So sunflower seed is so good. It has iron inside. It has various vitamins for hair growth. So I'm going to be adding hot water inside, and I allow this to infuse overnight, guys. I let this to infuse overnight. So this is an overnight hair growth spray. Overnight hair growth spray means that your ingredients stayed overnight, because your hair cannot just grow overnight. Where in science does hair grow overnight? So it's just the spray or the treatment the person put on their hair that stayed overnight, that is being called overnight hair growth spray or overnight tea or overnight oil. Anyway, so this is after 24 hours of it being seated in a safe corner in my kitchen. So I'm just going to strain, and I'll take you guys to application. So if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that is going to help you to promote your hair growth. So this remaining chaff, don't throw it away. You can use it to do a deep condition, and it also have other benefits. When you blend it, you're still going to get more juice inside. So just a little tips. So loves, I'm going to transfer this in my spray bottle and we head to application. So here is application time. This my hair is just 1 month. Okay, so I'm going to be using this tea for like a week, or I can stretch it to 2 weeks depending on how my schedule is for this week. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this on my hair, and after the 24 hours of it being seated in my kitchen, it does not have any foul smell. So just in case you think it's gonna have a foul smell, it does not have any foul smell. So I'm going to be spraying this from the root of my hair. I always like spraying my teas from the root of my hair before I spray it on the body and the tips of my head. So that's how I spray my teas on my hair. This is what I'm going to be doing before I follow up with my other routine, which is adding leave-in condition, oils, butter. You guys know how we do it in the channel. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Let me know, will you be trying this tea? Have you used sunflower tea before? Let me know in the comment section. So this is my first time using sunflower tea, okay, like adding sunflower to my ingredient. And I've used sunflower to do a hair growth oil which helped my clients in her hair journey, okay. So I'm going to be complementing sunflower and other Hydrating spices in my hair journey. So we just entered month 8, okay, in carrying this mini braid, in doing this particular hairstyle, okay. So I started mini braids, and ever since then my hair has been doing amazing. I have seen a lot of growth, I have seen a lot of retention, I have seen thickness on my hair, okay. So what I just did right now was to spray the front of my edges, and as I spray it, I did not rub, I pat it down because I don't want to be rubbing the front of my edges. I am on this no hands challenge on my edges, but I still need to spray something in front of my edges. So I just spray, then pat it down so that the water don't drip on my face. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my hair growth oil, which is in the channel. You can do what to check it out. This hair growth oil has been doing so good on my hair, on my daughter's hair, and also on my client's hair. All right, so loves, if you want to see the recipe I use in making this hair growth oil, you can do well to check the video in my channel, and you're going to love it. It has a lot of Hydrating spices, it has a lot of oils that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. So I just use this application bottle and apply it on my hair, then I massage. I make sure I massage my hair, take it down to my normal, the body of my hair, and yeah, I do this massaging technique. Either I use my hands or I use my massage brush, okay. So after this, I'll be going in with other routine I do on my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video, okay. Let me know your own thoughts in the comment section. Next thing I'm using now is my hair grease, which is a combination of Chembia 2000, that stuff have been saving my hair, virgin hair fertilizer too, and Duru Growth hair grease, okay. So I always mix the combination of those three together and apply it on my scalp and anywhere I know that I need to apply it on my hair. So right now I'm applying my flaxseed, okay. This flaxseed is a combination of flaxseed and amala powder, okay. I will be using this flaxseed for 2 months at the extreme, like the ends of my hair, as I said in all my videos. And I'm doing a test run, all right. I saw a video whereby flaxseed help in retaining length and improving hair growth and the rest, so I decided to give it a try. You guys know I love trying things in the channel to make sure that it works, okay. If it work for my hair, you know that it definitely works, okay. So I'm just going to apply it at the extreme, that is the ends of my hair, to hydrate that and to make sure that my ends are not dried out. So after this, I will go in with my shea butter, which is an Hydrating shea butter, is mixture of different ingredients, okay. So it has moringa inside, it has a lot of ingredients inside, okay. So I'm just going to apply that also at the extreme of my hair. I don't put shea butter on my scalp because of build up, okay. You know, shea butter is a bit thick, so I don't put that at my scalp because of build up. All right, love. So after this, I will now pack my hair in 2 sections because I love packing my hair in 2 sections so that, you know, it's easier to carry it like that and go around. So this is the ends of my hair. You can see how hydrated and moisturized the ends of my hair is, okay, because of this routine I always do. So if you watch it this time, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comment. So I'm just checking my hair, and when my hair is dry, I'll pack it in two, and yeah, and do any other thing at my day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Please try this hair growth tea. Your hair is going to love it.